Alright, welcome to episode 5. The VLA 2.0 scenarios I've been showing lately basically all highlight the same flexes, super fast reflexes, and super smooth handling. TLDR, it drives exactly like a human. Its maneuvers totally match how you'd actually want to drive. Honestly, I feel it outdrives a lot of human drivers out there. Especially right now. On one hand, people complain that ADAS is way too slow and inefficient. But on the flip side, there's plenty of people driving even worse than the AI right now. But with XPeng's latest Gen 2 VLA system, its driving efficiency is legit on another level compared to any other system I've tested. Less talking, more showing. Let me pull up some super obvious examples for you to see. Right before Chinese New Year, I was merging from my street to the main road. Check this out. Up ahead, I needed to cross 2 lanes to the left. I had to turn left. Normally, AI systems try to merge super early. They check behind them, slowly creep over, and then just stubbornly follow the car in front of them. But look at this, it spots a gap up ahead, hits the blinker, and punches the gas to slide right in. Literally zero hesitation. Takes the spot, completely seamless. Let's run that back. See how it spots the pocket, signals and accelerates simultaneously. Just cruising in, the steering wheel barely even turns. Look at those manual drivers next to us. They can't even keep up. Let me show you another clip. This was just a couple days ago. Notice the hood color is different car, and it was drizzling. The system was overtaking some super slow, annoying cars. There's a car backing up ahead. Watch this, it doesn't slam on the brakes. It only slows down a tiny bit. It got boxed in. Then it squeezes right in front of that bus. To bypass it, no getting stuck at all. You can see the trajectory line shifting left. Look at that buttery smooth path. Jumps straight to the far left lane and totally dusts that tiger. Because the 2 cars ahead were moving, like literal roadblocks. Tell me, is this not high efficiency driving? When you're driving manually, you always gotta fight for a spot, especially when multiple lanes merge into one, and you have to zipper merge into a single turn lane. This stuff happens at intersections all the time. Just like right here. Look, even where the solid line starts, there's an Aeon right there, trying to force its way in. With older AI systems, I mean, they could technically handle this too, but it was mostly based on luck. It heavily depended on whether the car behind was chill enough to yield. But now with VLA 2.0, I don't even need to say anything. Right now, it's actually already claiming part of the lane. Waiting for this car. Alright. Boom, slips right in the second it passes. Alright, let's play that back. Look, this is super relatable. This is exactly how I have to drive. You push up so close that the parking sensors go absolutely crazy, cutting off the car behind you. That's how you successfully steal the spot. As for other examples, the past few episodes I posted actually all revolve around this kind of efficiency. It's not just about avoiding jerky movements. It's about getting things done fast. Take this intersection. See the car doing a U-turn up ahead? It predicts it perfectly, doesn't even brake hard, just a slight flick of the wheel to go around. Super smooth, super efficient. So we're way past the conversation of whether it can do zero takeovers now. In the past, the older versions could also handle these with zero takeovers, but there is a massive difference between *that*0 takeover and *1. Catch you guys in the next one.